is happy Tuesday today, this morning, and I make for my food is spinach egg omelette. And this is our spinach chops, and I have 2 eggs. So, first guys, we have to cook first the spinach guys. This one is spinach, okay? Guys, we have to make it dry first the water guys. See, because this have too much water. Yeah. And we have to put salt little. Little. We have to put the oil. Yeah. The oil. I put salt. So mix campur. Egg. Wala na. This is our spinach. We put in the middle. Like that. This time slowly roll. Yan. It's like this. Yan. Thank you for watching guys. This is my